Hey guys, so I was looking here on Reddit on how you can possibly view cameras on a Samsung TV. Someone wrote here that I'm thinking about installing some APs and switch, and I'm curious about the cameras for home use. If I install them, is there an app for smart TV that will let me see what's going on outside? And someone recommended this, that you could use a viewport, and when you're gonna protect viewport, you're gonna write it on Google. Easy to use hub for viewing protect camera feeds on an HDMI display, and you see right here, so it goes right here and then it goes to the display. So you see right here, so you're gonna have the camera security, PoE, then you're gonna have switch, gateway, video recorder, and then you're gonna have to viewport, and viewport goes to the TV, and it's like HDMI cable right there. So this is something that you could get and you could use. So just want to make sure we do this kind of option, and have a great day and goodbye.